Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Offense. Welcome to Trendlines Trader. This is a YouTube channel where we do daily analysis. So, without wasting any time, ladies and gentlemen, let's go straight to our charts. Let's see how our daily analysis is going today. Ladies and gentlemen, I've been away for some time, but now I'm back. Let's go back to what we used to do. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my 200 smooth moving average, and I'm also having the blue one. It's my the 50 smooth moving average. Remember, I'm using this just to determine where is the market price, because remember, with 50 I'm using it as my support, and the 200 it tells me whether I should be looking for buys or for sellings. Because if I can put it in a simple way, when the market is above the 200, like as you can see, it's above this 200 SMA, we can say we are looking for buys because we are bullish. But when the price start to be below the 200, we can start to look for selling. So ladies and gentlemen, you can see our price is been playing around this support zone for a couple of times for some time now, and what I can say to you is even now we can tell that our price is still respecting this area, as you can see with this couple of touches that were proven to us. We just have to wait for the price to give us a retest of just a little pullback and wait for it to continue to push towards the upside. I believe you guys are able to see that we have something like this, which is about to form a triangle. Actually, this is a symmetrical triangle. We call it symmetrical triangle. It's one of those triangles that determine or tell us that we are still having a continuation of whatever that the price was doing. You can see the price was being bullish since we are approaching this triangle. So this triangle, it's about to tell us that the price will break our triangle from this area, the diagonal resistance, and we will be having a pullback or retest and push towards the upside. Let's believe that our price will do so. This is our 4-hourly time frame. Remember that we will have to witness the price breaking out of this or respecting this diagonal resistance and come back to respect our diagonal support zone before it pushes towards the upside. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Let's not waste any time, and you guys, please don't forget to press the subscribe button and the like button for this video to reach other people who will find this information very useful. Ladies and gentlemen, our next instrument is GER40. I hope you are able to see my watermark there. This is my instrument, and we are on a 4-hourly time frame. So let's move closer to the price and see. We can tell that our GER40 has been selling for quite some time. As you can see, our price has been bearish. The chart has been bearish and respected this area really, like you can see well this structure that the price has been respecting the area, as the area is our diagonal resistance. So what we can say now, we will just have to see if our price, as you can see from here, it seems like it's a flag. I hope you are able to see this type of structure that I'm showing you, this type of candlestick pattern, or is a chart pattern. Yeah, you can see that our price is giving us sort of a flag, but anyway, let's see if it will respect the structure and reach our diagonal support, resistance, before we see it pushing towards the downside. Remember that the war during the between the Russians and Ukrainian, it's still on, so we might see the price pushing towards the downside during the period of this time. It's been the second week since we have witnessing Russia invading Ukraine. Those are the fundamental news, but let's believe that it will give us something to gain as the market will be moving maybe according to our predictions. Ladies and gentlemen, let's not waste any time with GER40. Let's go to our next instrument, which is NAS100, US100. I hope you guys are able to see what I'm trying to show you with this predictions that I'm having in mind. Our price has been selling for quite some time. We can tell that it's been bearish. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, our price has been respecting these areas where it was giving us this type of chart. Let me show you something like this. It's been bearish. As you can see, it has been giving us some channels. We've been very bearish, I can say, or I can tell we've been very bearish. As you can see with this long trend line that I'm having, the price has been respecting area for quite some time now, and just in few days, actually was it yesterday, in a few days ago, we witnessed the price seems to be bouncing back and giving us this area as a resistance, but I sometimes call it our supply zone. So let's hope that the price will respect this area and push towards the downside, so that we are able to see if it reaches our support zone, diagonal support zone. You can see that the price gave us the support zone for couple of touches and gave us a resistance, a horizontal resistance. So the price is giving us ascending wedge. I hope you are able to witness this is an ascending wedge, as we are at the resistance level at the moment. We are at the horizontal resistance. The price is about to respect the area. Let's see if this red candlestick will bounce or will push towards the downside to our support zone, where it might be respected or break it, and from there we will be looking out for selling positions or selling opportunities. So we can say we can place our trades, selling trades at the moment, and wait to see if the price doesn't respect or it breaks out of this area and give us a retest to sell. And remember that the price, it will always move with them couple of let me go to 1 hour time frame so that I can show you something. I really want to show you guys this is something that I want you guys to be very aware of. If you look at here, I can say this is our demand area. Usually the price, after having such a selling off or creating such a structure, whenever it bounces, it will give us a little bit of consolidation before it pushes high. This will be our demand area. In future, the price has to come back to the area and retest for it to push towards the upside before we say it's our selling season. Our buying season. I guess we can expect the price to push towards the downside to retest this area to give us our head and shoulder structure. As you can see, we have a left shoulder. This is our head, and we are still looking to have our right shoulder. So anyway, this is the inverse head and shoulder if it forms. But anyway, let's not focus on that for now. And just wait to see if our price respects the horizontal resistance to push towards the downside, or does break out of this area and push towards the upside. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, let's move to the next instrument. Let's not waste any time. At the moment, our next instrument is the US30. I hope you are able to see. This is my instrument and this is my 4-hourly time frame, and we are looking at this price. It also has been very bearish. It has been very bearish for some time, as you can witness here with this type of structure that we've been experiencing. Ladies and gentlemen, the US30 is also giving us this almost the same structure of US100. As you can see, we've been having this long resistance that the price has been respecting, or that the price has been trying to push towards, and now we are at the level where we say it's been giving us this type of structure, which is our support zone currently, and we will be moving towards we are at the horizontal resistance, same as US100, NASDAQ 100. You can see these indexes are correlating. So the price has been respecting the area for quite some time. Let me just try to zoom in. Let me try to zoom in and see that since while the price has been respecting this area, horizontal resistance, we can witness it pushing towards the downside, breaking out of this support zone that it's been respecting. I don't want to say it's that strong that it won't be broken, but we are having an ascending wedge. This is an ascending wedge, same as US100 ascending wedge. We might break it out of this I might break this resistance, horizontal resistance, to push towards the upside, or respect it for a couple of times and push towards the downside. So ladies and gentlemen, without wasting any time, I really appreciate your time. Please don't forget to smash the like button, and please press the subscribe so that you guys get to have this information that I upload by clicking on the bell. You can be notified every time I upload. I thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Please don't forget to share with your friends. Let them have some information to know where the price is about to go. And please remember to subscribe on this channel. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.